Day 742 of quarantine. We're riding bikes on the Tart Trail. I actually love riding bikes, so this is kind of cool. Today I am on unrestored original paint 64 Schwinn Stingray that is blue. I don't really remember. I think that this bike is exactly how it was when we got it. Like, I think that every part that's on it is original from when like it was sold, but I can't validate that. So if you're wondering why I'm riding a beat up old bike, it's because I like unrestored original old bikes. Like, this is a pretty rare thing. I don't know, if I put it on eBay or something, it'd probably sell for like $100 or something ridiculous like that, despite the fact that it looks like garbage. So
Dad.
Yes, babe.
Remember the lock I put on the car?
I sure do. Keep going, Cater. I'd like to say that this idea is inspired by coronavirus or that my kids are involved, but alas, I'm outside with a Hot Wheel track going down my driveway. I think the kids are coming outside. They seem less excited about this. I have dramatically, embarrassingly short length of Hot Wheel track. I think this is about 20 feet. For the purposes of this, it should do just fine. I'm sure that this is gonna launch over here. Oh, this is sweet. Come check this out, Cater. Is he gonna... Oh! Oh! That one just barely skimmed it. Pause the track. We're gonna science this out a little bit because we're launching the cars and kind of OCD about scratching up my Hot Wheels, so... Oh!
Some of them go fast.
Yeah, some go further. All right, send another one.
I'll send one.
Oh!
Not enough.
Well, all right, here, this is going to be the one. Oh! We did it! Let's see if we can get 2 in a row.
Come on, Daniel.
Oh, that one's going to be tough. Do one with normal wheels. Oh, so close. Oh. Oh. Oh, so far we've only got one in. Oh, that guy fell down before the finish.
A perfect drive.
Oh.
No.
All right, Carrera GT.
He doesn't want to get flat. Let's see if number 8 can make the jump. He cannot.
Oh.
He just drove right off the course. Instant replay. Very high speed and it's raining. They may have some slippies.
Oh, that was so close. Oh, he's still going.
And
One.
I bet the people who are inside are going to be very happy.
The driveway Hot Wheel track ramp, sponsored by Coors Light. So close. Nice!
The very first car is coming down full speed and he went right
Still go.
past it and he's back. I'm going to take out the camera and make it. Yeah! I'm actually showing them the way. What the heck?
Thank you, sir. We're gonna listen to music, and I don't get monetized anyway, but you do get warnings if you have that, so. So this is what we're gonna do for the next 40 or 50 hours.
Has reinforcements!
Hot Wheels says reinforcements. Bravo, I'm about to ratchet this up. We're reconfiguring our track.
Oh my god!
I mean, this is gonna be sick, right?
Yep.
All right,
And
watch
now
this.
all the ones that have failed. Okay, but then we should have it in the background.
Oh, that guy's weak. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yep. Okay, let's get it back to normal. So,
Rob vetoed my idea.
huh?
I said you vetoed my idea.
Well, wanna know the coolest?
Oh, like
Let's move it back so they will, if anyone's that goes
That's actually not a bad idea.
past, will loop back round. Now help me grab all the loop. Really the only ones out here.
So I think with it this close, they're just gonna rocket into it.
What do you mean?
Okay, the cars won't be landing on the ground. They're gonna be landing in the side of the ramp.
I know.
Oh, like crash landing style? Alright. First one's first. Ah!
Wait, we still gotta collect all the others.
Oh, and the track has got a
No.
crazy kink in it.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, wait. It'll go to my snack. It'll go to my snack.
Oh, just pick it up real quick.
Yeah, but it'll go to my snack.
Alright, we got some re-engineering to do.
Still got them. Yeah, that's way too close. We're gonna just whee! Right here. You should be good.
Does anybody else think Rob is like a cartoon character? I think you're like a cartoon character.
Wow.
Because you're so like wiggly.
Test subject 1 is for the black team. And he!
Oh, that guy was weak.
I know why. We gotta move this back a little. He's gaining speed. The dark side.
I don't know that anybody's gonna make it to the ramp, but that's probably good. Like, it'll just collect them, right?
Yep. It's
All right.
the collector.
I was hoping we were gonna launch them to the moon.
Okay, that's impossible.
We need more orange track. I told Laura every time she goes to Meijer, she has to get at least 2 packages of orange track. And the problem is with the quarantine, we're doing shipped. And I think she's embarrassed to put Hot Wheel track for our shift driver. So